Hey guys, Brian here from Solid Woodworks. Today I just wanted to show you a quick little tip on my drawer slide installation on the 4Runner box that I've been making. So on my website, solidwoodworks.com, I've been selling a lot of DIY plans for the 4Runners. Hopefully the next couple of months I'll be coming out with more vehicles such as the Nissan Xterra, Toyota FJ, Cruiser, hopefully a couple Jeeps, Tacomas, and different overland vehicles like that to help you guys create some drawer systems in your own vehicles. Obviously I don't have enough time to get to everybody's vehicle, and a lot of people don't live in Southern California. So that's why the drawer plans and the DIY plans have been great for other people around America. And I've actually sold a couple to a couple different countries as well, which is pretty cool. So long story short, right here we have a 4Runner box that I'm building. We have the drawer slides in both of them, the side jams, bottom drawer back, drawer box back. Then here's the drawer without the front on it yet. I just kind of want to show you real quick how I install these slides on there and how to put them back into the drawer system. I'll also show you a couple different little tricks on the slides and the easiest way to do it. So here we go. All right, so this is what the drawer slides come looking like. They're 36 inches long, ½ inch wide, about 2 inches tall. So the little trick to installing these is, first things first, what I do is pull the slide all the way out, so full extension. You can then flip the slide over. You'll see this little black tab right here. All you gotta do is flick that thing one direction, and let me put my foot up here to hold that. You can pull that entire inner rail out of the slide. This is what I do to install the slide. So you see how that comes out like that? Now just like this, I have that mounted in here. So all you have is the outer rail. Inside the box, I just drop the drawer slide all the way to the floor, the bottom of the box here, and you'll see the screws I have in there. There's one, got another one here, another one there, a couple more back there. I'll put in probably at least 4 or 5 screws into the outer rail, and then 4 or 5 screws into the inner rail. So what I do is I take that inner rail, set up here, and I'll actually mark a line on my drawer box 3/4 of the way up the side of the drawer box. So what I've actually made is a little block, as you can see. I'll put it on right here. I'll just mark that all the way down. Just like so. So now, as you can see, I've got a line down the entire side of my drawer box. So what I'll do then, line up the drawer slide so that the line is in the center of the hole. So right here, I'll line that thing up. Grab a couple screws. Line it up right with the center of the hole, if you can see that. And then just go to town. There's one. Two. And 3. All right, now I'm gonna flip the box over and do the other side. Make sure that when you're doing the opposite side, it's a common mistake, I've done it 100 times, it's just repetition, that you make sure these tabs are on the front side of the drawer. You can see the tab here, the tab here. You wouldn't want to mount this way because then it won't slide into the drawer properly. That's just one little thing that happens once in a while. Thought I'd give you a heads up about it. All right, a couple more screws. Drill motor. One. Two. There we go. 3. All right, now that we have all that in, I'm gonna take this slide out that I was showing you. Set that there. And now this is how we are going to slide the drawer box in. All right, take your drawer box. You're gonna see the sides here, and there's the rails already mounted inside. All you're gonna have to do is line it up right there. Line up the other side, push. Now you can see that it is sliding into, the inner shell is sliding into the outer shell very easily. You're gonna push the drawer all the way in. You're gonna click. Might have a little bit of pressure at the very end of the slide there. That is just the first time it does that. And then now that it's in, boom, your drawer slides are in. Both sides, nice and sturdy inside of there. And that is how you install the drawer slides on the 4Runner box plans. And that'll probably be with same idea for most of my plans. They might not all be 3/4 up the bottom, but most of them will be. So as I said, these 4Runner plans, you can find on my website, solidwoodworks.com. There'll be a link in the description below. The hardware, the drawer slides, the screws, all that you can find on solidwoodworks.com as well. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments section if you have any other little DIY or how-to videos that you want me to get to. And we'll see what I can get to in the next couple months. See you next time.